Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 26th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock. I'm not a financial advisor. I just do this for fun, and I share it with you. So, Tesla had a down day today. Tesla closed at 618.71, down approximately 3%. I'm kind of surprised a little bit. I thought Tesla would be rebounding a little bit. Post market, we are at 618.27 minus 44 cents. So let's take a look at the actual chart. So this is the candle that we had today. So if you remember yesterday, we had touched almost the double support, that I call it, the secret support, because the main support is the one that we had here. We have had that for a while, and then you see that the wicks of these candles are extended down from the common support. So I'm now calling this the double support. So we had a touch here, we had a touch here, we had a touch yesterday, and we have a very perfect touch today. Look at this. You know, if I draw this like this, I'm gonna just adjust it a little bit. So, you know, it's hard to find something this perfect. You know, we have 3 points for this line. So, if we go intraday a little bit, if we look at the hour chart, so each hour equals each candle is equal to an hour of trading. So if we look at this, it started today here at the top, and basically it just went down. It just went down, and then look at this again. You know, I cannot make this up. It bounced once at 1:30. It bounced the second time at 2:30, and look at this. This is almost perfect textbook technical analysis. This is one of the reasons why I don't understand why more people don't do technical analysis, because when you see something like this, it's almost like, well, we are not predicting the future, but the future is happening with a definite pattern. And if we can identify this pattern, then we can profit from the pattern. So this is a great example. A perfect touch here, boom, boom. And then we have a little bit of a move up. Going back to the daily chart, so basically, the stock touched this support, as I mentioned, and also we have this, if you remember, we have a support at 604.45 cents. So this is the support that fits with this here, this peak that we had on November 30th, and that acted as resistance here, then acted as support here, well, support here, support here, support here. So basically, we almost have a perfect fit with this support line and this support line. So we have two lines of support that are basically in play for this candle today. Another thing I want to point out is that the top of the candle is exactly the same top as this one here. So I would have expected that the candle would have been lower today in terms of the high of the day, but no, they are pretty much equal. So I'm going to be honest, I find it very odd. So are we starting something like this? I don't know. Maybe we are getting into a congestion zone here. This is pretty early to be very definite about this, but this is just, I find this very interesting. So we are right now, we closed at 618, and we have a big support here at maybe 581. So I don't know if the stock will just do its thing slowly and touch this support. I would tend to say that this might have a good probability of happening. Or another thing that can happen is because we have this horizontal support that has been tested twice without being broken through. So maybe this is the support that is going to be holding still for the future, and maybe the stock will just glide over that for a while before going up. So if that is so, then we would have reached the bottom of Tesla. So when people are saying buy the dip, yeah, where is the dip? Is the dip here, 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 here? Well, the dip was maybe here and also maybe here. So we are maybe at the dip here. So maybe we are at the bottom. Maybe Tesla won't be going down much further before resuming up eventually. So I think Monday is going to be very interesting to see how this plays out. What will be the candle on Monday? Will it still be above this? Will it break this resistance here? I don't know, but this is going to be very interesting. So I am myself personally. You do your own research, you make your own decisions, but I myself am very close in pulling the trigger and getting in and getting back in Tesla. So a little quick look about the indicators. Stochastic is weakening a bit at 43. So I had drawn this resistance on this peak here, and we stayed pretty much on top of it. But now it's starting to go down a little bit. So maybe there is a little less steam in the stock. So maybe it's going to go down. In terms of the MACD, minus 2636, minus 2609. So we have effectively a bearish MACD. Interesting, and the DMI is still bearish as it has been since February 16th, just before this downtrend. So always interesting to look at stocks, and especially Tesla and Palantir. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you like it. Tell me in your comments what do you think about this candle that we had today. I'm going to wish you a great evening, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine. We are going to be talking on Monday. Bye-bye.